In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a block ID in Notion. Whether you're just getting started with Notion or you're a seasoned user, understanding how to obtain a block ID can be incredibly useful, particularly if you're dealing with integrations or automating your workflows. Let's dive into this step-by-step process and make sure that you have a clear understanding by the end. First things first, you need to open your Notion page. This is fairly straightforward. Just navigate to the Notion workspace where the specific page is located. If you're new to Notion, you'll find all your pages listed under your workspace on the left-hand side of the interface. Once you've located and opened the page you want to work with, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now that your page is open, you'll want to hover your mouse over the block from which you wish to grab the block ID. A block can be anything, such as a paragraph, a heading, a to-do item, or even an image. Essentially, anything that Notion allows you to create on a page can be considered a block. As you hover, you'll notice a set of options appearing to the left of the block. Here comes the key step. You're looking for the icon, often referred to as the 6-dot handle. This is a convenient little tool that Notion uses to give you quick access to a number of block-related options. Click on this handle to reveal a drop-down menu. It's important at this point to scan for and select the option labeled Copy Link to Block. Don't worry about accidentally missing it. The option is clearly listed in the menu and becomes visible as soon as you click on the handle. Once you've clicked Copy Link to Block, the link is now saved to your clipboard. The next step involves pasting this link somewhere easily accessible where you can dissect it to find the block ID. A simple text editor is perfect for this purpose. You can use applications like Notepad on Windows, TextEdit on Mac, or any other text editor that you prefer. Once you've opened the editor, simply paste the block link into it. Now let's break down what you're looking at. The link you paste will look something similar to this. https://www.notion.so workspace /page title 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 new A B C D E F 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F 7 F C B 3 9 4 0 2 6 6 4 A A D B 2 A D 4 E F 11 B 0 E. The segment we are interested in is what appears after the hashtag symbol. In this example, it is 7FCB3940A.2648ADB2AD4EE9FF11B or E. This lengthy alphanumeric string is your block ID. It uniquely identifies the block you copied the link from. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your block ID. This technique is particularly handy for developers or anyone needing to link to specific parts of a Notion page programmatically. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks.